To determine if you qualify for the Clean Vehicle Credit, visit Deductions and Credits in TurboTax. Scroll until you find Cars and Other Things You Own, then visit Energy Efficient Vehicles. The Clean Vehicle Credit ranges from $4,000 to $7,500, depending on the type of vehicle. To qualify, you must have purchased the vehicle by September 30, 2025 for personal use, not for resale, and it should primarily be used within the U.S. Income limits also apply based on your tax filing status. $300,000 for married couples filing jointly, $225,000 for heads of households, and $150,000 for all other filers. Starting in 2024, the credit can be applied directly at the dealership as a discount on the purchase price. Note that the credit can't exceed your total tax liability, and unused portions can't be carried forward, except for business vehicles. TurboTax will guide you through a series of questions to make sure your vehicle meets all credit requirements. You'll need to provide details of your energy-efficient vehicle purchase to complete the IRS forms. If you're transferring your credit to the dealership, the credit will be zero on your tax return. For more help, visit ttlc.intuit.com/community.